Hello, so this is our lesson 2, the Arabic alphabet. So today we're going to study 4 letters: alif, ba, ta, tha. This is the names: alif, ba, ta, tha. This is the names of the letter. The first one is a long vowel. We saw it in lesson 1. It's a. The second one is a b, ba. Third one is a T, ta, and this one is a th, as in 3, tha. Here below I've put the whole alphabet, the complete alphabet. So today we're going to see the 4 letters in blue. This one, the long vowel a, those 3 which have the same base with 1, 2, 3 dots. And then you have the rest of the 25 consonants, plus then the 2 semi-consonants. So those ones can be consonants or vowels depending on the context. Plus, I've added all the other consonants, vowels, diacritics, which are not part of the alphabet, but that we're going to study too. So you remember this one from lesson 1. This one is written like this one, but without the 2 dots. And it's pronounced like this one, a, but only in the end of the word. This one is a consonant which is either pronounced as T or as H, depending on the grammar and position in the sentence. We're going to see it as well. Then we have those diacritics, which represent short vowels, absence of vowels, doubled consonant, long vowel. This one, which we know is from lesson 1, is a consonant, just a regular consonant, but for historical reasons it was not added to the alphabet, plus 2 more diacritics. So we're going to see them all, and lesson after lesson, more and more letters will become blue, so that we can see our progress in the alphabet. In the end of the 12 lessons, everything will be blue and you'll be ready to read everything. So let's begin. This is our first letter, it's A. And as I told you, whenever we study an Arabic letter, we have to know the 4 shapes it can take. So this is the isolated shape. The initial shape is the same because it's not connected to the left. So this letter, A, is connected to the right, but not to the left. So you remember we had the case in lesson 1 with the letter D in Muhammad. Remember, the isolated form is the same as the initial form because it's not connected to the left, and the middle form is the same as the ending form, always, because it's not connected to the left. I'm going to do like this. So this is the first A. Then we have the Ba, which represents the sound B, just a regular B, the Ba. So this is the isolated form, which is the one here. It's the same isolated form. And then you have the beginning initial form, then which is just the tooth without the tail, and the dot below, which is slightly on the left of the tooth. Then you have the middle form. This one is connected both on the right and on the left, and as you can see, what is left of the letter is only the tooth in the middle and the dot, which is slightly on the left below. And the last shape is the ending form. So as you can see, the tail reappears and the dot below slightly on the left. Okay, so isolated B, initial B, middle B, ending B. Then the good news is that the 2 other letters have the same base, so we're going to have the same initial form, the same middle form, and the same ending form. So this is a T. The name of the letter is Ta, and this is the isolated form, initial form, middle form, ending form. And as you can easily imagine, this is the initial form, this is the middle form, and this is the ending form. So this is not complicated to imagine the way they look. The dots slightly on the left of the tooth, the tail at the ending shape, the middle shape connected on both sides. And then we have, interestingly, we have a good mnemonic for those ones. So this one here with one dot below is a B, as in below. The second one has two dots, and it's a T, as in two, which is good. And you already noticed this one has three dots, and it's a th, like in three. So we have B below T2, th, 3. So now we want to play with our new letters. We can mix them. For example, here I can switch to Arabic. I can write ba. So this is a B plus an A that go together as a ba. You see the initial form, which is this form, plus the alif, which is the middle form. So I have this initial form plus the middle form to give this one. I can, if I want, I can separate them like this to make it clearer. Okay, voilà, ba. We also have ta, tha. We can also make longer words like Baba. This one is actually a word, it means the Pope. Baba. We can also have Tata and Tha, exciting words. We can have Bab. This also is an existing word, it means the door. Bab. We can have Tab, which means to repent. It's also an actual word. Tab. We can also make, for example, Thabat. So we can play, we don't have so many possibilities, but we can play with these 4 letters and see how the shape is modified, initial, middle, ending. So this is what we're going to do now in practice. I've prepared a series of syllables and words, fake words. We're going to practice them now. So you have 2 ways to go. I will read them loud and slowly. So then, that's the first time you can just listen to them all and check as you hear what you see. And the second time, in order to practice, you can stop the video before I say the next word, and then you say it, and then you check your pronunciation by listening to the video. So I'm going to read them, beginning with this one, from the right to the left. I'm going to read them loud, slowly, and so they can practice and stop the video between 2 words. Let's go. Ba, ta, tha, baba, ta, tha, bab, tat, thath, thab, tab, bata, taba, thaba, batha, thabata, tabata, ثابات باتاث بابات. So here is what we did today. Today we had lesson 2, 4 first letters of the alphabet, alif, ba, ta, tha. Alif, the long vowel, ba, ta, tha, the first 3 consonants with the same base shape. Then we studied the 4 letters with the isolated form, initial form, middle form, ending form. Then we typed a few examples, and we had this reading exercise which you can practice by stopping the video before you hear how I pronounce them. Okay, enjoy your lesson, and see you later.